Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome back to a brand new vlog and welcome back to my channel. Today it is currently Sunday and we're supposed to have a thunderstorm pretty soon today, and it's going to happen today. So, I love thunderstorms. We're supposed to have a severe thunderstorm, okay? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video that I made the other day, the update video that I made the other day. It was pretty good. And I still need more people to watch the videos I made days ago and weeks ago and months ago too. So go check out that video and go check out all my videos that I did over the months and over the weekend and over the days, okay? Anyway, plans are for today. I didn't get to a vlog yesterday. I didn't get to a vlog yesterday. Anyway, plans are for today is do a vlog today. Do the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 method. I didn't get to the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 method yesterday or the other day and the day before that too. Because I was busy with Christmas. I was busy with that. So I didn't get to my 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 method or anything because I was busy with Christmas. I've been watching YouTube, and I still am watching YouTube. Watch YouTube today. Plans are for today is keep on watching YouTube videos, do the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 method. And finally, I have another AI ghost train story that I'm doing today. Because like I said, we've been busy with Christmas. So you guys are going to see a new AI ghost train story today. Finally. I won't be able to go outside today because of the severe thunderstorm that we're gonna have. Hi, Mom. Doing my vlog. The chair fell over. Yep. Anyway, do that today. And I got my window open. It's in the 60s. And listen to music. Sorry. I know. Yeah, I know. I know. Do some AI ghost train stories and listen to music. eat dinner and stuff like that. So those are the plans for the day. Those are the plans for the day. I'm gonna come back and do a music video. I'm gonna do a music video for you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna do that today too. So yeah, those are the plans for the day. Those are the plans for the day. Those are the plans for the day. And do that today. So yeah, I'm gonna do that today. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and click off now and upload this vlog and this video to my YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell. And I will see you guys later for my next vlog and my next YouTube video, okay? Okay, bye everybody. Bye.